Meaning of free market.
Free market.
Free market.
Free market.
Free market. A free market refers to an economic system where the prices for goods and services are determined by supply and demand. In a free market, individuals and businesses are free to produce, trade and consume goods and services without any government intervention or regulation. The rationale behind this system is that it is self-regulating, as producers will naturally strive to produce what consumers want and at prices they are willing to pay. The result of a free market is that it encourages innovation and competition, ultimately leading to consumer choice and economic growth.